All right. Hello, Jennifer, Mrs. Jennifer. Please, you're going to pardon me because I've not been chance. I've not been chance to. I've been so busy. Just like something else. I've been so busy, and I've not been chance to actually go through your website and help you with. But you're going to pardon me for that. I can see your website is really going places. In fact, you are doing a wonderful work, a wonderful job on the site. It's a huge site. It is going, in fact, very wide. It's what I've just visited now. I think I'm visiting it now. As you can see, I've seen a lot of things you have uploaded. So, but one thing, there are some things I also saw on your site. So I'm like, okay, I need to put it through on this. So I'm purposely doing this video for you. I purposely doing this video for you. But you know, what thing I'm observing here is that you keep on updating your site, which is very good, which is very much good. I like it when you update your site every time, every day. Your website is fantabulous, and this is what we are talking about, blogging. And I can see the number of people that have been following you up. You've been really making impact in blogging industry. You've been making impact in blogging industry, so I like you for that. And I love your zeal. I love your zeal. I love your commitment. I love your passion for blogging. It is quite alright, and it's very much okay. So please, and I don't have much time to do, but I specifically plan to work for you this night, at least to do some little thing, even if this one thing you're going to enjoy from it. And this is what I want to do. Opening your post, I discovered that it's coming out with a number. It's coming out with a number. Like now, if I want to continue reading of this post, as I continue reading this post now, I discover that is okay. Please, you see what I'm trying to say now. I discovered that this loading, the link is coming out with number, and this is what I'm really saying. This is it. So we have HTTPS to impactglobal.com. Then this number is not making any references, and it will be it will be obstructing your SEO, because this is not the real, your SEO. You know what I mean by the SEO, like search references. Your search references may not really come out in that. So please, it should be global to impactglobal.com/ why is the gap between the rich and the poor increasing. That is how it should be. But because there's something you're supposed to have done there that you have not done, and that is the reason why it's coming out that way. I would have loved to do it for you, but I will not do it for you because I want you to do it yourself so that you can learn from that. So in that case, I will be using another site to do it for you. That's what I will do. So all right, now let's take a look at this site. Now let's take a look at this site. Now looking at this site, so this is another site. This is someone's site, which is IJMB Portal, and let's visit the site. Now we are visiting the site now, and this is the site. The site is loading. Now the site has come up. This is the site I designed for a client. I designed this site for a client. And you can see how it's coming up, and you can see the interchange of the site interface. Now let me close this. Let me close this newsletter. I've closed the newsletter. Now let's say, for instance, I want to go to blogging. This is the web blog. So this one is a school programming course website. So let me go to our blog. Now on getting to our blog, you can see, if you check your destination here, you see your link. If you check the site link, or the blog link or the page link, you will discover it is ijmbportal.com.ng/blog. All right, now at the same time, if let me go to a blog. Now we can see some blogs. Now let's say read more. If I click on read more, now you can see it's coming out with a igmb.com.category. Now this is another way, another thing. This category shouldn't be there. This category shouldn't be there, and now it should be igmb.com/igmb. And sometimes depending on how the post like. So now let's go back to another post. Now for example, this post, now we say lemon, because these ones are under categories. That is why you can see category here. That's why you can see category here, because they are created under category, and the category was chosen when posting the content. The category was chosen, but that is why you are seeing category here. But had it been when this post was posted, there was another, or there were other categories name created, it will be the category that will show here. So this is not a crime at all. This is still better. This is still okay. So now let's go back to some blog posts under. Now I think we have to go to okay, let me see this blog. Let me see our blog. Under our blog, I think it should appear. I don't know. Okay, let me see another one. Okay, for instance, let's see this one. So now let's say read more. As we are reading more. Now as you can see, this is what I'm saying. So that is a blog post, and now you are saying read more. So look at it. It's saying igmb.com.ng/agc program. So that is the what? The site link with the page link. The site link with the page link. So this is what we call permalink. So what you need to do here now is to go and set your permalink. Am I communicating? So this is to set permalink. If you are facing this problem, what you do, or if you are facing these challenges, what you do is to what? Is to go to your dashboard. So under your dashboard, you go to settings. So under settings, then after that, once you go to settings, in your setting, this is your setting. So as you click on setting from your dashboard, then click on permalink. So when you click on permalinks, then you see how your permalinks display. So now this is the permalink. Now look at it. When you post, what happened to your blog post is that it was set to display day and name, or sometimes it will be set to plain. When it's plain, it will be showing IP. It will be showing IP. It will be showing P is equals to 123 rather. It will be showing P is equal to 123. So sometimes some people don't know this, but it's very, very important, especially when you want to to have an SEO reference. It is very, very important to do this. So now what you do is to change it from this place to post name. So it should always be on post name. So when it's on post name, so it will be the name of the post. So this is the post name. It's going to be the name of the post. That is what we call post name. So when you put it on post name, it will be the name of the post. So, or you can click on customize or custom structure. Under custom structure and post name, they are still the same thing, because post name, it will also bring it out. When then if you say custom structure, then it will, if you click on custom structure, then you cannot come here and choose what structure do you want for your blog post. So this is where you now have to choose post name. This is where you now have to choose post name. So it's either you choose post name here or you choose post name here. So anyone you do out of them, then you update, you save it. So once you save it, you discover that your site will not be showing that again. So your site will not be showing this again, this number. So that is one thing that I want to correct you, how to change the number. displaying on your site link, how to change the number displaying on your site link. And I quite believe that you understand this and you're going to make changes on your site. I love your site. Your site is going very, very well. It's growing well. I love it. And it's my pride and my pleasure that you are really doing well in the blogging industry. I really want to see you on top. I want to see you there. And whether you like it or not, you are my product. You're my product, and I will be proud of you. By the time I see you at the top, I will always be proud of you. But one thing is that I know you are going to make it, and you have already made it. And I know what bloggers, those that have time, and that have time, that are committed, and also have passion for blogging, I know they eventually turn billionaires. So when you turn billionaires, please don't forget your master. Don't forget me. Don't forget your source. Don't forget your origin. Am I communicating? So thank you so much. Please write down, enjoy yourself. Write down, enjoy yourself. I love what you're doing. I love it. It's really going fine. I love it. It's doing well. You are doing well. You are really, really doing well on your site. Love it. I love it. So if there is another thing I discover, I will be doing it. I will be putting you through more on it. If I discover some other thing on your site, because I'm following you up. I'm following you up as my product. So if there's anything I discover again to do on your site, I will also be putting you through and guiding you through. You have me. It's like you have more than thousands of people. You have me is like you have huge number of gurus. So I'm here to protect and to guide you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Continue enjoy. Continue blooming the industry. You are my pride. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.